Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Donnie, and this is Linda, and this is our dog Roxy. We want to invite you to follow our adventures as we build out our van and travel the country on our social media channels and website. Vacay 24/7, 365. Hey everybody, I'm Donnie.
And I'm Linda.
And this is Roxy. And I've been getting a lot of DMs, PMs, messages, whatever, that say, where's Roxy in all the videos? And the main reason Roxy hadn't been in any of the videos is because this place has looked like a war zone during the day. It's got metal shavings, wood shavings, screws, nail heads, all kinds of stuff laying around. And these little paws don't do good on that stuff. So that's the main reason Roxy hasn't been in any of the videos. So I have put together a compilation of a bunch of her pictures and videos from when she was little. She just turned a year. She just had her first period, so now she's a lady. And I'm going to throw all these pictures together in a little compilation for everybody that wants to see more of Roxy. We're not sure if she's a dog, because she also loves carrots. So she's part rabbit. What's this? Roxy, you want a carrot? She loves carrots. More than carrots, she loves sticks. She loves to chase sticks. And even more than that, if you want to watch her really freak out, what's that, Roxy? She loves, look, she's trying to get it. She loves plastic bottles. She will, if she runs off, all you gotta do is throw a plastic bottle in the middle of the street and she will come running. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy the video of Roxy. And when we start doing some trips, Roxy will be included. And I'm going to show y'all a couple things. We did put one of these little boot tray things that we can put her little water bowl and her food bowl on and slide it under there so it's out of the way. And then there's space right there where I'm going to put some little hooks and her little strap-in bed will go. Here's a quick tour. Here's a bunch of our controls. Look at her. She wants to get to that water bottle. You want that bottle, don't you, Roxy? That's right. Our little paper towel holder, backsplash, cabinets. That's where all of our stuff is. Here's the bed. There's the control for the radiant floor heating. Our shower shitter. No, listen to her grunting. She wants it. Our little hook. There's our Dometic freezer. This will be full of ice cream because I have to have ice cream every day. Our adventure wagon mule bags. We put spinners on our chairs. I'm going to get a Lagoon table mount that'll mount right there. We'll have a little table that'll pop up. There's dog hair already in here. So anyway, all right. Say bye, Roxy.
Bye-bye.
We're going to go chase a water bottle. Talk to y'all later. Here's the best part of the day. Roxy, when you've been cutting wood, wants to go get the scraps. Here she goes. You ready, Roxy? Go get it. What you got? Got your little piece of wood? Come here. Give it to me. Give me that wood. Give me that wood. Give it. She loves playing with the scraps. We think she might be part beaver. She also hops, so she might be part rabbit and part dog. So we're not really sure what the heck she is, but she's damn cute. Give me that cup. Get that. Get it. Who's gonna win?
Roxy, you don't want to go to the bathroom? Roxy, go potty. You gonna go for a walk? Roxy, go for a walk. Come on, it's time to go potty. Roxy, you need to go potty. Roxy, get up. Seriously, Roxy. This is ridiculous. You go potty. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
No.
Somebody's got a swimming pool. You're a retard. What are you doing? Roxy, what are you doing in that pool? Come here. Come here. Give me that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me that, you beaver. This is part beaver. Come here. Give me that.